May babala ngayon ng isang dating U.S. intelligence officer sa mga Pilipino kaugnay sa issue sa West Philippine Sea. Si MJ Mondihar sa report.
Nagsama-sama kamakailan ang mga anti-war advocates sa US para bigyang babala ang mundo sa nakaambang nuclear Armageddon. Sa press conference na inorganisan ng Schiller Institute, isa-isang pinaliwanag ng mga eksperto at dating mga opisyal ng US government kung gaano kadelikado ang nuclear war. Kabilang sa mga tinalakay ang magiging parte ng Pilipinas kung sumiklab man ang digmaan gamit ang issue sa West Philippine Sea. Para kay Scott Ritter, isang dating US Marine Corps intelligence officer, ginagamit lamang ng Amerika ang Pilipinas laban sa China.
We are using you. You are a tool, nothing but a tool. And when the tool ceases to be useful, we will discard you.
Ani Ritter, na nagsilbi rin bilang Weapons Chief Inspector ng United Nations, ang issue sa West Philippine Sea ay ginagamit ng kanyang gobyerno para gulangan ng China.
And discard you means usually after a war that devastates you. We are using you to gain some sort of momentary leverage over the Chinese. We will fail.
Punto pa niya, tiyak na mananalo ang China kontra US sa WPS. At ang kawawa dito, ang mga walang kamalay-malay na Pilipino.
The Chinese will win and you will be destroyed. End of story. It's high time the Filipino people pressure their government to start sitting down and engaging the Chinese government responsibly.
Nakasandal ngayon ang Philippine government sa anyay ironclad na ugnayan ito sa US government. Katunayan, sa administrasyon ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos Jr., lalong dumami ang mga EDCA site ng Amerikano sa mga military bases ng Pinas. Lahat ito nakatutok sa direksyon ng China.
The United States cannot fight and engage China and win. We will not beat the Chinese. We cannot beat the Chinese, and we know this, and yet we're using the Philippines to create the conditions of potential conflict with the Chinese. Please understand that for the Filipino people, this is a recipe for disaster. You think America is your friend.
Payo naman ni Ritter sa Philippine government, huwag magpauto dahil walang pakialam sila mga Amerikano sa ating mga Pilipino. Sa totoo lang, hanggang ngayon, nananatiling mababa ang tingin nila sa atin, mga lahing sinakop at inalilan nila sa mahabang panahon.
China doesn't want war, and if you would engage China in diplomacy, and as we've all indicated here, America has long since lost the skill set necessary to carry out diplomacy, but the Filipinos, the Philippine people, can reignite this, to relearn it, to use this skill to prevent a war. But if you continue to behave as colonial subjects, and I know that's a sore subject in the Filipinos, because you were the colonial subjects of America. We still view you as our colonial subjects. We don't like you, we don't care about you, we just want to use you. Grow up. Grow up and act responsibly. Take control of your own future. America is not here to help you. America is here only to use you until there's nothing left, and then we will discard you on the trash heap of history.
Para sa Diyos sa Pilipinas kong mahal, MJ Mondihar, SB9 News.